now Sunday morning, and it was a little bit more snow overnight, but it's now 3.5 degrees, so it's starting to melt a bit. We're up on the same place as we were yesterday, sort of the north side of Otley and Ilkley, but of course the ice that was frozen solid, that's now like liquid, and it's more gloom stuff happening, more clouds happening. Drinking our free coffees from Waitrose. So previously we were parked at the other side of the valley over there. What we've done is we've driven down to Ilkley, down through that way, grabbed some more coffee, free coffee at Cafe Nero. We've come up here to park. We're just right outside next to the Cow and Calf Rocks, where you can see some people sort of walking up there and tripping up and down in the slush and the snow. But yeah, you can see the cloud is a lot lower, and there's a little parking area in the cafe just here. And yeah, so Ilkley's just straight down there, and you kind of pan around. This is the River Wharfe Valley. Looking out, it's low cloud, bit of mist. Head up that way to the Dales. But yeah, you can see it's kind of blustery and so on, so I'm doing a voiceover. Tuesday morning, nice and sunny. A little bit of frost. We're at the top of the Chevin. Of course, this is where you can just park for free here, but the Leeds City Council have recently made you pay if you park in this bit. Yeah, I think there was people were that upset they smashed up some of the parking meters and stuff up here as well when they installed them. But there's a nice view you get looking down the valley. So we're kind of above Otley here. We'll have a look at the view. So we've just reached the viewing point now. That's the car park behind us. And we can walk forward and you get the lovely view with the clear skies today. Again over the Wharfe Valley now, but we're looking straight down to Otley. And you sort of can walk up some steps up there through the woodlands. It's very steep and up to here. We're looking down to some of the fishing ponds down there towards a little village called Poole, which is behind the trees, and that's heading out east there, the River Wharfe, down that way. And then you can see Armscliff Crag there in the centre. I'm just zooming in, where climbers go to do little like rock climbing and things like that up there. Very nice spot. And we pan now looking up towards the west. That's sort of the route up to the Dales. And this particular spot we're standing on is known as the Chevin, this kind of hill that we're on. And down that way is Menston. There's lots of woodlands and so on there. Guiseley down there. And further over that way, kind of Keighley and so on. In the River Aire. So that's actually the Airedale down that one. That's the River Aire that side. And there's like signage and stuff in the area to look at tell you about the geology and the history and so on as well. But yeah, lovely sunny day, but very windy. So doing another voiceover and just kind of looking at the scenes and so on. But yeah, it was very, very cold wind. Quite unpleasant really to be standing in the wind. You can get as I say, walk up there from Station Road. There's no station anymore, of course, and then up the steps. Takes quite a while, and it's get out of breath coming up there. yeah, and then that way, of course, is looks out towards the airport there, and you get a lot of planes flying low as they come into land down at Leeds Bradford Airport. So there we go. There's the little scene this morning.